Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix this error. Here you can see it, Windows script host. So how you can fix this error? Windows script host access is disabled on this machine. Contact your administrator for details. So for fixing it, you just need to go to your search tab. Here you can see it, and just write in search tab registry. Here you can see registry editor, so just choose it, click yes. So here you need to go scroll up, so just choose here current user. Here you can see it, H key current user. In here you choose software, just click on software, and in software you choose Microsoft, and in Microsoft you choose Windows script host. So just scroll down, Windows script host, so just click on it, choose settings, and here you will see a second file with name enabled. So you just need to right click on it, choose modify on this enabled, not default but enabled. It will be blue with blue color, and here in value data you need to write 1 and just click OK. So just write 1 in enable file and just click OK. So after you do it, everything will work and you won't have this error again. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.